the most predictable piece of breaking news of the decade. Phil Simmons is back for a second stint as West Indies cricket coach. The Trinidadian, who just piloted the Barbados Tridents to an unlikely CPL triumph, was always favoured for a return since Ricky Skerritt took over as board president. And to be honest, Phil Simmons has been around the block. West Indies, Ireland, Afghanistan. He's as good a coach as a cricket coach can be. But we have to say this to Brother Phil. We know everybody feels good and happy for you, especially in Trinidad. But you're taking up an impossible task, Brother Phil. The reality will kick in sooner rather than later, that it is the development and supply lines that provide the raw material for you to work with. That is where the problem is. In fact, Brother Phil, the raw material in the lines is running out. And the little raw material that is available is not of the highest quality. That is the problem that will face you at the end of the production line, Brother Phil. I don't know what kind of product you can come up with using that inferior quality raw material. Let me put it this way, Brother Phil. The job of the West Indies cricket coach is like the job of the Minister of National Security in Jamaica. What you're facing, Brother Phil, is like a 2 or 3 or 4-headed monster. God go with you, Brother Phil. God go with you. Yes. Good luck, Brother Phil. Good luck.